today, matututunan natin ang letter A. Hi mommies and daddies! Welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher Cho at today tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano turuan ang inyong mga anak na magbasa gamit ang Jolly Phonics. At today, matututunan natin ang letter A. A. First, listen to the song.
And so my on, and so my on, and so my on, they're closing me along.
Okay, that's it. So ngayon naman, lalagyan natin siya ng action. At parang langgam po siya na gumagapang sa inyong mga braso. At saka, kailangan nyo sabihin ng and sa my arm. Okay? Now, with action. And music.
And so my on, and so my on, and so my on, they're causing me alarm.
Very good. Now, natutunan na ang letter A. A. For ant. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. That's it for today. Always remember, with mommy, always happy. Have a great day.